Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a busy day of my life. This is a partial video collab with Quintus that sent me those LED string light. Guys, you know summer is around the corner. You guys cannot go wrong with some LED string light, and they're waterproof as you can see, and 53 inches. I'm going to use them in the front and the backyard. I'm going to do a super nice backyard makeover. I ordered my grill, my tent, and everything that I need to finish up my backyard, guys. And this is the second box. This light, I'm so in love with it, guys, and this is the one I'm going to use in the front. You guys know I love light. Every day is Christmas for me. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below for you guys to check them out. As you guys know, I'm renting. I wanted to be able to remove my light very easy. That's why I'm using this one, but this part is optional. You can use other, you can screw them or do other things. Okay guys, let's go back making breakfast. So waffle maker from Dana Living. Guys, this is a must have. I already did the unboxing. Today I'm going to show you how I use it. Guys, this is an everyday use for me. And guys, I can promise you that if you have children, this will save you a lot of money, because I used to buy the box of waffle, very expensive, and with this one you're able to make some good delicious waffle and within no time. My air fryer has stopped working, so I had to use my non-stick pan. Guys, I don't like to use oil.
I wanna see a familiar face and a friend to take my hand. Sometimes a little bit lost gets a little bit found. You can lose yourself in your faith, look, I'm washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around.
As you can see, guys, I set up a timer and the time is up. And this waffle is for the baby one. He doesn't like it to brown. That's why I make it this way. Guys, I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. I make breakfast for my 3 boys, and me in the morning I drink coffee, and that's about it.
Land where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around on your face. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let go.
After breakfast, I went to Walmart and Publix to get me some groceries. As you can see, my daughter was helping me cleaning the kitchen, the fridge, and everything. And while she was helping me, I went outside with my son to fix the light. I wanted the light to look very close together, so I doubled them. So this part is super optional, you don't have to do it, but me, that's what I like, and I do it the way I like it. After I finished up outside, and I went back inside to prepare dinner. Sometimes I made them cut the meat for me at the store, sometimes I cut it myself. So today they have a lot of people, so I didn't want to wait, and I just take the meat and then come home and cut it myself. After seasoning the meat, I let it sit for a couple hours, as you can see, while I'm cleaning the dishes and set up my coffee station. This pressure cooker, I bought it for $35. And guys, I use this thing every day. I can tell you that. Buy one. It doesn't have to be this one, but you need one in your life. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. If you're not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur la chaîne moi. C'est la première fois, moi c'est bienvenue, non moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo. Mais si c'est pas la première fois ou la moi tout merci en pile parce que toujours retourner venir supporter moi ou toujours retourner venir regarder vidéo en share vidéo. Merci en pile pour support. Sans même chaîne ça va d'apprendre. Continuez à regarder les vidéos. After dinner is done and I start the cleaning cycle again. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, je vous en prie. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Et à tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime. Later on that day, I take them out to have some fun. That's something I do pretty much when I have my day off. This is my son Destin. He loves trampoline. He can jump for hours. Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and this is the night part. You guys know I love light. I'm in love with light, and that's the back of the house so far. That's what I have so far until I finish with all the patio makeover. Okay guys, thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.